going to be testing this product at a salvage yard. Also, not today, but it'll be future down the line. Because it will... Hey, how's it going, everybody? Hopefully great. Today's end of December. Can you believe it? Today we're in our 40s. Today we got lucky. It's going to be warm the next few days. So next few days we're going to be making a bunch of videos. Our vehicles cleaned up. Today's video is just going to be with Griot's right here interior cleaner. And then I'm going to be applying after that. We're going to be applying Auto Fanatic's 007. We'll have to add some distilled water in that. We'll do that also in the video. And right here, this product right here, if you use this, you're going to have to use something with a UV protectant, which the 007 has a UV protectant. You can use this detail spray on your paint and in your interior for some protection. So right here, that's what we're going to do. The Jeep's not really trashed inside that bad, so it's not really filthy. We got the wife walk in with her shoes on, some salt on there. We're going to vacuum it up, stuff like that. We're going to get it cleaned up since it's nice out. Why not? Beautiful day out, might as well take advantage of it. And then we're going to wash it. We're going to give it to works today with some other products we're going to be trying out. Okay, we're going to get the vacuum in first. It's going to be loud. We'll get it cleaned up. Good product. I like that it's clear. It's not leaving any residue. Cleaner. Plus, too, the Jeep's not really trash. We'll test it out at the salvage yard, and we'll check it out. Let it really get some dirty interiors there. Sit outside, exposed, because a lot of the vehicles have busted out windows. We'll try some out. Why not? It's hard to get find detailing jobs here where I'm at in Michigan. It'd be great to get some customers. It's hard. It's just people don't hear. Just they want it. The price. You gotta have a low price here to. Getting a detailed job, that's what we come up with. Might have to try a different area in Michigan this summer. So what do you guys like to use to clean up your interiors? Or do you even make your own interior cleaner? Yeah. It's nice out today. What's nice about these, you can get in here, get it cleaned up. And this cleans pretty good. I like it. It's not leaving no residue. I already said that, but yeah, it's pretty good. Cleaning up the mall crawler. We're all done cleaning the interior with cleaner by Griot. Right there, I always have a hard time saying it. Check it out, cleaned up pretty good. Like I said, no residue, cleans up nice, really no smell to it. It's pretty good. But of course this ain't trash, we're still gonna test it out. So now, Since this does not have any protection in it for your interior, for your plastic, we're going to be using Auto Fanatic's 007 gloss. This is a detail spray. You can use it on your paint as a drying aid, not a drying aid, get some fingerprints off. You can use it at a car show, stuff like that. It's a product for drying aids. I'm a big fan of drying aids, and this is one of my favorites. Much what you're gonna do on this, because it's not diluted, you get a full bottle, you're gonna go 50-50, something like that. I'm a little over 50%, but we'll be all right. And it's pretty much close to 50-50 what you want for your mixture for your interior. So I'm gonna have to label this bottle for interior use only. You're gonna use distilled water. And fill it up. And right there, basically now you got a bunch of detail spray, and basically, you know, it's pretty simple. Put on your rag and wipe it on, and it will have some protection for the plastic right there. Yeah, it's a pretty good product. I like it. And now he's also selling this on Amazon. This is not a sponsored video. Both these products I have purchased myself. Interior cleaner, I got it at Advanced Auto. They had basically buy two get one, like $10 off. They do have some great deals once a month. Yeah, you might want to check it out if you have an Advanced Auto. End up getting some detail spray also. McGuire's for like 64 cents. I bought a bunch of them. Got a couple of them. Used them for Christmas gifts. And where's his directions for interior? Pretty much pretty simple. Shake it up a little bit. We'll mix it in there. Basically, since we already cleaned all the plastic, just spray it on our towel, microfiber towel. I use these are designated for interior. You can pick them up at Harbor Freight. I use that coupon where you get them free. Check it out. It's nice. This is not going to have an oily texture to it. It ain't going to leave no oily on it, so it'll be nice and dry. Make sure I get everything wiped in. Continue to go. A little bit of splatter. Alright. Sorry about that sun hitting. It's the way the sun's shining through. A lot of plastic on this Jeep, so we'll be busy. All that. Sound bar. Alright, we got all this plastic right here. Make sure you get the sound bar on this 2018 Jeep Wrangler. We got the robot to do. We'll get it all protected. This is a great product if you want that basically like a stock look. This has no shine in it on the plastic, and this is a great way to go if that's the kind of look you are looking for. No shine to it. Okay, also, sorry about that, son. You can use the 007 on your screen right here. You're just gonna have to use a second microfiber towel to buff it out. Look how shiny it is. It cleaned it up really nice. Okay, we're all done cleaning it up. Check it out a little bit. Came out nice. Gotta watch that sun. It's like shining right in there. Right there it is. Got it all nice and clean. Let's mess my video up. Here we go. All done cleaning it up, the interior up with Ero's interior cleaner and Auto Fanatics right here. This we're gonna do a future video on this, trying it out junkyard, so make sure you guys look for that when it comes out. And this 007, we have a video out on it, using it as a drying aid when we first got it. And I'll have that at the end link and some other videos you want to check out. Tell us if you use these products right here, these two, or you plan on purchasing them. And if you have, yeah, let us know of any tips you have on the products or your favorite interior product. And yeah, You like auto shows and stuff like that, car detailing, that's what we do here. All around car channel, car repairs. Join the channel, subscribe, like, and comment. And yeah, watch some more of our videos. We got all kinds of stuff. So yeah, thanks for watching this one. You guys have a great day. Later.